In today's video, I'm going to teach you Locations Overview. Shopify Help Center. Locations in Shopify help you track inventory, route orders, and manage fulfillment across places like warehouses, retail stores, pop-ups, or third-party providers. Setting them up correctly ensures your stock counts are accurate and orders ship from the right place. Let's walk through adding a new location from your Shopify admin. Start by opening your Shopify admin. From the main dashboard, look to the bottom left corner and select Settings. On the Settings page, choose Locations. Here you'll see your existing locations, including your default one. This page is where you'll add new locations and manage the details for each. Select Add Location to create a new one. You'll land on a form for the location's details. Begin with the name field. Use a clear, consistent naming convention so your team immediately knows what and where it is. For example, a city name, store number, or warehouse code. If your device shows a confirmation like Done after typing, go ahead and confirm to apply the entry. Next, move to the Address section. Enter the full street address, city, and postal or zip code. Then choose the correct country or region from the drop-down, followed by any state or province if prompted. Taking a moment to confirm the address is important. Shopify uses this information for tax calculations, shipping rates, and to help route orders to the closest or most appropriate location. As you fill out the form, you may see additional settings or toggles related to how this location operates. For example, you might have options to fulfill online orders from this location or to make it available for local pickup. Adjust these according to how you plan to use the location. If this spot won't ship orders, leave fulfillment disabled. If it's a customer pickup point, enable the pickup option. Review anything that's highlighted or requires confirmation, so your preferences are saved accurately. When everything looks correct, click Save. Shopify will create the location and add it to your list. After saving, you can return to locations at any time to edit details, deactivate a location you no longer use, or set priorities that affect how orders are assigned. Remember, inventory is tracked per location, so once your new location exists, update product quantities there to keep stock levels precise and prevent overselling. That's it for adding a location. With this setup in place, your store can route orders more intelligently, reflect accurate inventory by place, and run day-to-day operations.